Hello friends, welcome to Suhani Creation. I'm excited to share shrinathji envelope series with you. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By clicking the subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our new videos. Thank you.
Everyone, now I am going to show you how to use the border punches. Okay, so what you need to make, firstly you have to make the split. So I will be taking 1.5 quarter strip, okay, and one more also. And now you can just cut these strips. Okay, and now this is your this border punches. So now what I'm gonna do it, see, mostly what people do it, they cut like this, but I'm not, I have not used this technique because I always left some of the parts. So I just want to tell you what you can do. You can just use your punches like this and start from here. Okay, this is one of the best, and whatever the half circle is coming, you have to use like this. Okay, so this is the way you can just use yours border punches. Okay, so now this border is complete. Okay, now what you need to make, like you are going to attach some in circle. So how you will go, which I have told you in my when I created the envelope. Okay, so this I will be needing only this part. So what you need to make, you have to take a strip of the paper and you will use like this. See, and there are multiple ways to use it. You just no need to worry. You should have like a circle punches or something like that. So I have told you the technique. See, so this is the way you can just use your punches. Okay, and this part is going to be like a only you can cut in the small part, and you can make the frame, or you can just want to make the simple border. Let me show you. So this is the simple strip of paper. Now you want to make the border. So if you don't want to the thick border, so what you can use only this dolly work and stick like this, and your frame is ready. You can make the rectangle frame, you can make the different kind of frame you will be making. And when you will cut these small parts, so this is going to be in circle. Okay, different frames you can create it. I hope guys you understand very well then how you can use the punches as well. So thanks for watching.